हेलो गाइस, आज मेरा डे 2 है कैंडी श्रीलंका में। और मैं आज कैंडी सिटी से 25 किलोमीटर दूर आया हूँ, एक टी फैक्ट्री में आया हूँ। Is this in top?
The area is
Okay.
our big tea plantation. In Sri Lanka, we have 3 kind of tea clones,
Okay.
and green tea, black tea coming from this tea clone, but it has 2 different processes.
Okay, this is green one,
Yes, green
and this one black one.
This is golden tea. This is silver tea.
Okay, what is the difference? But I see
Different
both are same.
plant. It's
This is
after-
little bit black.
Yes, and this one like green.
Mm-hmm.
After to produce this tea, we use only tips.
Okay.
And these two don't go any other process.
Mm-hmm.
Dry by sun.
Okay. So which one is for black tea? This one?
This one.
Okay, this one for black tea.
Yes. And after dry,
Mhm.
golden tea become golden color.
Okay.
And silver tea become silver color.
Silver color. Okay.
Yes. And we don't have season for tea. We pluck the tea leaves
Huh.
all year round.
All year around.
Yes.
In a year, how many times you pluck the tea?
Every day.
Every day.
Yes.
Oh.
And we pluck the tea leaves by hand. No use machine.
Okay.
One woman can pluck more than 25-30 kilo per day.
25 to
Kilo
35.
per day.
Oh,
In this
it's-
factory, we produce only black tea.
Black tea.
Yes.
Okay.
I will explain our process. Let's
Mhm.
go in downstairs.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Golden tea plant. Other one is okay, black and gray.
This is process stage producing black tea.
Okay.
We call withering process.
Withering process. Okay.
Reducing the moisture of tea leaves.
Moisture. Okay.
And after pluck the tea leaves, we bring to the factory.
Mhm.
It's right here.
Okay.
You can see there is a big fan and a blow through the leaves.
Okay.
And tea leaves dry up 18 to 20 hours.
18 to 20 hours.
And-
So from the field directly they put here?
Yes.
Okay.
And every open 6 by 6 hours
Okay.
turn by hand. And after this process, tea leaves weight convert to half. As an example, we put 10 kilo.
Okay.
After this process, it's become nearly 5 kilo.
Okay. 1 kilo, how is it reduced?
10 kilo.
Uh-huh.
After this process, it's become nearly 5 kilo, half of the weight.
Okay. How?
Because it's reducing the moisture in the water.
Because of moisture. So
Yes.
yeah.
Okay, let's go in downstairs.
Okay, fine.
Yes, we call
This is
rolling
second
process.
stage.
Yes.
Okay. Rolling process.
Rolling process.
Mhm.
And after withering process, with the tea leaves, 175 kilograms, we apply first roller,
Okay.
supporting the shooter.
Mm-hmm.
And first time we need to roll 20 minutes without pressure.
Okay. That is coming from upstairs.
Upstairs.
Uh-huh.
And first time we need to roll 20 minutes without pressure
Okay.
because first time we are accepting unbroken tender leaves, young
Okay.
leaves, and it's like a roll, like a ball,
Okay.
like a seed.
Mhm.
We call leafy tea.
Leaf tea.
As well as again another withered tea leaves, we apply second roller.
Okay.
Second time we need to roll 20 minutes with little pressure.
Okay.
And tea leaves become a small particle. We call broken grapes.
Broken grapes.
After 20 minutes, take out tea leaves supporting that gold color dough.
Gold
We
color.
put into this machine.
Okay.
We call grading machine.
Hmm.
It has three different sizes of measures, like bigger, medium, and small.
Okay.
And most younger tender one very small, and other leaves bigger. Most
Bigger.
younger one tender one fold up.
Okay.
And finally, first roller, second roller, rest we apply third roller. And third time we need to roll 20 minutes with full pressure.
Okay.
Tea leaves become a powder.
Okay. Then there will be smaller one and bigger one and medium one, right?
Yes.
So is there anything we can use for any time? Any like
all
for
are used.
green tea and
No, black tea. Only
black tea only?
Yes.
Big one is for black tea only, right?
No, this factory we produce only black tea.
Okay, okay,
We have another factory which produce green tea.
okay,
Then always taste will depend on the size.
okay.
First time unbroken particle, it's giving light taste. Second time broken particle, it's giving strong taste.
Okay.
But third time powder, strong, it's less quality. Because
Okay.
we apply less of the particles. Hard leaves, bigger leaves all together.
Okay.
So after grading all the graded tea, grade wise, we need to keep 2.5 hour
Okay.
fermentation. And after fermentation, green color tea leaves become a brown color
Okay.
and a special aroma for the tea. Fermentation means tea leaves reacting with normal oxygen and they spray just water supporting that humidifier.
Okay.
We don't use chemicals or essence, we use only water.
Okay.
And black tea with fermentation, because black tea we use as a beverage, taste and aroma. But green tea, silver tea, golden tea without fermentation. Because these three we use medicine as a herbal drink.
Okay, herbal
And that's why green tea, green color and little bit bitter taste without fermentation. Fermentation process, fermented tea we put into the dry machine
Okay.
and dry 20 minutes under 120 Celsius.
Okay.
After dry, younger particle convert to the black color and hard stains convert to the brown color.
Okay.
And hard stains we use on the compost and this machine separate tea and steam. Before finding that, it has a plastic roller working as a magnet.
Okay.
And a small fine part to stick the roller.
Okay.
Leaves, bigger stems go to the mat. In this machine separate a small fiber one. We have another machine, it separate big one.
Okay. Furnace
Yes,
room.
this is the furnace. In dryer get heat from the here.
Okay.
In this process we use only firewood.
Okay.
So our government rule from English era because we can get natural taste,
Okay,
natural
okay.
aroma. Especially we use rubber wood.
Okay.
Because rubber wood is burning, long time burning. And this machine, more than 100 years old, is still working.
Okay, more than 100 years old. Final
Finally,
stage.
we
Okay.
can categorize according to the size and weight.
Okay.
Because always taste will depend on the size.
Size.
And quality will depend on the weight. And this machine separate different size.
Okay.
And always bigger particle giving light taste, small particle giving strong taste. So after grading tea according to the size, again we separate tea according to the weight. That machine. We call it suction winnower. This machine consists sucker and winnower.
Okay.
Then sucker sucking the tea, heavy fall down near to the winnower.
Okay.
It's mean heavier means it's have more younger, tender, tiny particle. And second quality, third, fourth, and fifth.
Okay.
Then always younger, tender leaves, best quality.
Okay.
It's giving more aroma, more taste, and more color.
Okay. That's why you plug the tea every day?
Yes.
Okay.
Color separate machine.
Color separation. Okay.
One of modern machine made in Japan. Machine has electromagnet and color sense camera. It can recognize what are the black color, what are the brown color.
Okay. So you didn't put the tea together, right?
Yes.
As we have three different color.
Yes.
Okay. So separately, if we put the separately for black tea, so how can it will identify color separation?
Its machine has a camera.
Ah. Okay.
This black color is tea, brown color stains.
Okay.
And that machine separate is small fiber one.
Okay.
This machine separate bigger one.
Bigger one.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
This all are black tea coming from this tea cloth.
Okay.
Orange pekoe, when you put into the hot water,
Okay.
tea color is orange color. Just the color, not the taste, light taste.
Okay.
Flowery pekoe, when you put into the hot water, leaves open up, medium light taste. And these two come in unbroken particle we call leafy tea.
Leaf tea. Okay.
And broken orange pekoe, medium, strong. Broken orange pekoe fannin. Fannin mean finest,
Okay.
strongest, better with milk.
Okay.
Some people call English breakfast tea.
Breakfast tea.
Yes,
Okay.
this one. And these two come in second roller. We need to roll with little pressure. We call broken grades. This is a dust. It's
This is
less
totally
quality.
powder.
Yes, because it's less quality. It's include more stems, hard leaves all together.
Okay.
In Sri Lanka, we usually use this one because we eat spicy food. Therefore,
Spicy.
it has a habit. We drink strongest tea.
Okay.
Per day, 19 cup. This one price-wise cheap, but it's less quality.
Less quality.
Yes.
Okay.
And refuse tea stems, we use only compost back to the tea garden.
Ah. Okay. This is not used for
Not used.
edible.
No.
Okay.
And our total tea production 5 or 6% refuse tea.
Okay.
Then our total tea production 97% we send to the Colombo tea auction.
Okay.
Like Akmar, Ahmad, Lipton, Dilma, they are tea buyer. They buy different quality tea and
Okay.
dust, blending, mixing,
Okay.
packing and sell under the brand's name.
Oh, why this name is Golden Tips?
It's golden color.
Golden color.
Yes.
Okay.
And this
So
is-
is this a good quality one?
Yes.
Okay.
And green tea, black tea come in same tea plant, but it has two different process.
Okay.
This is green tea, silver tea, golden tea. And these two including more tannin and vitamin.
Okay.
And these two good for against cholesterol, diabetes, kidneys, losing body weight.
This two.
These
Okay.
two, and especially growing antioxidant in the body.
Mm-hmm.
And these two reusable tea, 5 or 6 tips enough for a 1 cup. And same pinch enough 3 times per cup, and it's 3 times reusable.
Okay.
And black tea we produce nearly 2,000, 3,000 kilo per day. But these two we produce 25, 30 kilo per month.
25 to 30. Okay.
Kilo per month. These two more rare tea clone and more healthier than other tea, because these two more rare.
Mostly black. This black one is planted, right?
Yes.
This is very rarely we have
Yes,
seen.
it's growing slowly. It's only tip of the plant, and dry by sun we have rainy season.
Okay.
These two we can't export.
Okay.
We
So
have-
this is golden and silver, mostly grown in which area? Any particular?
in Kandy, Nuwara, Ratnapura,
Okay.
like this area. We have small tea plantation.
Okay.
Another area.
So is this for rainy? Is it require rainy season or something? Not require any?
No.
Okay.
And these two normally you can buy only
So
in
no,
factory.
so any climate it can grow, right?
Yes,
Okay.
but it's more rare.
Mm-hmm. Very rare, yeah.
Yes. Okay, sir. Thank you. Listen to me. You can try cup of tea downstairs. BOP, medium strong black tea.
Okay.
Do you want to buy some tea? You can buy here.
Here?
Downstairs.
Downstairs. Okay, let's go then. चलो श्रीलंका चाय टेस्ट करते हैं.